Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2007 Lexus RX350. Now the problems we're getting on this one is making a whining noise. We just found out it came from this part right here. I'm gonna put a clip later on so you can see the sound it's making. So we're going to replace this guy right here. So in order to replace it, first we have to remove this right here. We have to remove the belt. So there's 4 screws right here, like a plastic screws. You have to remove them and remove this part right here. Now we're going to take off the belt. Also, once you remove the tire, you have to remove this little plastic that goes right here using a 10mm socket. And once you remove it, you can have access to this part right here. Alright guys, so first thing first, we're going to remove the belt. You can use something like this with a 4mm socket. You can, if it's hard for you to get it from up here, you can try to get it from down here. But I'm going to show you. Gotta put it right here. And by the way, this is the first video on YouTube doing this. I haven't seen another one, so I don't know if you can, right there. And then you just pull up and you're removing the tension right there. Okay, once you pull it up all the way, you can remove the belt. You can remove it from down here. Maybe it's better if you use 2 people to do this job.
Yeah,
it's a little bit complicated. While we're removing it, and that's it. Once you remove it, you can just let go of this, and if you want, you can leave it here. You don't have to move it, so we're going to leave it here meanwhile. Okay, now it's time to remove the pulley, which is this one right here. We're going to be using a 14mm socket and a ratchet. So let me see if I have enough room. Okay, right there. All right, I already loosened it up. It was a little bit tight, so what I did is I put the ratchet here, and I was using a pipe. I used this pipe so I can have more strength, so I can do a lever like this to remove it. So it's already loosening up, so then we can just remove it like this. So here's the pulley. I'm going to replace this. It was making a sound like you can hear in the video. So yeah, we're going to replace this guy. Part. This is the part right here. I'm gonna put a link down below where you can buy it. Here it is. And we're going to be putting it this bolt, and again using the 14mm socket and ratchet. Okay, right there. All right, now what you guys have to do is just put the belt back. All right, like I said before, push this all the way up. And now from here, we're going to put it. And as easy as that, we just put the belt. Then just let go of this, and you can just pull it out. All right, everything is on place. As you can see, we have the brand new idler pulley And now we're going to start out the car and see if the noise went away. And there you go. Working perfectly fine. It's not making the whining noise like it used to. And that was just a simple job. Now what you can do is just put the plastic back on. It goes right here. And then you can just put the tire back. And that's pretty much it. I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up to this video. Share it, subscribe for more videos, and let me know down below which other videos you want to see, which other cars you want me to fix. I'm really hoping to read your comments. I read all comments. I reply to all of your comments. So thanks again for watching this video. As always, peace.